everybody, I'm Christy from Christy's Craft Room, and it is mosquito season in Michigan. I'm sure it is probably mosquito season in a lot of other states right now too, all right? So I have a problem, okay? When I have a problem and I come up with a solution, I try to share it with you guys. So my problem is, we have this deck, we have this canopy here, and we have screened insides for it to protect us from the mosquitoes. Well, the mosquitoes still keep getting in, and it took us a little while to figure it out, but what we've come to is that the mosquitoes are coming up through the slats in the deck. So we needed to put a rug or something down to prevent those mosquitoes from coming through. The problem was, when I went searching for a 12 by 12 rug, or even a 10 by 10 rug to cover most of it, you guys, they were like $400 to $600. It was crazy, and I don't know about you, I don't want to put a $400 to $600 rug outside. Not gonna happen. That's way out of my budget of what I can do for this deck. So I searched around for a solution, and what I found, I think is gonna work, and I think it was $65 is what I paid for this solution. So hang out with me, check it out, let me know what you guys think. All right, so it was a little bit longer than the 12 feet that we had asked for. So I just used a razor knife to trim the excess off. And the nice thing about this is it has this pattern, which makes it easy to cut a nice straight line without having to measure and use a straight edge and all that difficult stuff, okay? We like easy around here. And this is nice and thin. It's thick enough to do the job, but thin enough to where it's gonna dry quickly if it gets wet from the rain, and super, super easy to cut with a razor knife. So now I have a perfect sized rug for under my canopy. We're gonna add the sides up, we're gonna put all of our furniture in here, and I'll keep you guys posted on how it goes and how well it works. I will probably put just a couple staples in the corners just to kind of keep them from lifting when people are walking back and forth. But I hope you like this solution. If you've done something like this, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys do to combat the mosquitoes in your area. Thanks for watching.